Hello everybody. Did you ever think about who's using your network? How many desktop, laptop, or even mobile phone connected to your LAN Wi-Fi network? In this video I'm going to show you an easy and free tool that enables you to scan your and analyze your entire LAN or Wi-Fi network. Here in this it's advanced AP scanner. It's a free tool that can be downloaded from website advancedapscanner.com, and the interface is very easy to use. As you can see here, it's start button, so you can start and stop anytime. Here address, you can put address margin that you want to scan, and here it will show you the result. For example, if I want to scan my entire network, for example my network is 2.1 to 254, so it will scan the entire network. And I can, for example, scan I know that my DHCP segment is start from 100 to 200, so I will scan only the DHCP segment and know all devices connected via DHCP. If I want to make sure that I will scan my entire network, in this case I have to put from 1 to 254. So to start scanning, let's push the button scan. I can stop and make pause anytime if I want. And here it will show you the progress, the percentage, how many devices is live, dead, or unknown. So at 36%, it's show me some devices are already connected to my LAN. Here it will show you the status, name, AP, manufacturer, MAC address. The status will show you like a small screen, small computer. The blue screen means that this device is connected. The gray, it means that it's not live, it's offline. Device name, so here it will show you the device name, and here the IP address. In many equipment the device name is not set. In this case it will show you the IP address instead of device name. Here the manufacturer name. The manufacturer name is very useful in some cases. It will give you an idea about this device. For example, here it's show me Hewlett Packard Enterprise. In this case, I will know this is like a Hewlett Packard device. It could be like a laptop, desktop, or even printer device. Here the MAC address. It's very important. The MAC address is very important to know it in some cases if you want like to ban from your network device, so like Wi-Fi. So you see here this device connected to your LAN and you want to ban it definitely or temporarily. You can just go to your router and like a selection of put it in banned devices from your network. And as you can see here, it's easily to take like a few seconds to detect your entire network. This tool, I'm using it mostly in some cases. If it's very useful in some cases if I forget IP address for some devices, like it happened to me. Like you can see here, Samsung Electronic. This is an IP camera, so I forget the IP address of this camera, so I simply connect it to my LAN network and make scan. It will detect this IP address is 280. I hope this video is very simple and useful for you. I try to make it very simple. There is other option and tool. I will explain it later in details. So the most important now to know exactly how to scan, and how to know exactly which devices is connected to your LAN. So I hope this video is useful, and see you next time.